This is one of my favorite desserts. Start with a 6-pound can of drained and sliced peaches. Spread it out a little. Take some brown sugar, doesn't matter if it's light or dark, and sprinkle about 1 cup all over the top of your peaches. Take some sugar and cinnamon and sprinkle a nice hefty amount on top as well, and follow that with some ground cinnamon. This is essential to the recipe. We need about 3 tablespoons. Then we have some pure vanilla extract, of which we are going to add 1 teaspoon, and we're going to mix everything together right in our baking dish till it's fully combined. And then we take 1 box of classic yellow cake mix, sprinkle that all over the top of the dish, spread it out using your method of choice, and take 2 sticks of butter sliced. Place them evenly over the top of the cake mix to help cook it up and make a delicious peach cobbler dump cake. My grandma taught me this easy potluck dessert. Start with an industrial-sized can of fruit cocktail into a large aluminum tin, followed by 20 ounces of crushed pineapple, 2 family-sized boxes of banana cream pudding, just the powder, and then we're going to add some maraschino cherries on top, or is it maraschino? I don't know how to say it. Add as many or as little as you like, and then you're going to mix everything together. Try not to crush up your fruit too much, and then add a 1-pound bag of mini marshmallows. This is the big bag, not that skimpy little bag. And then you're going to fold those marshmallows in carefully into your dessert. Then you're going to add 16 ounces of thawed Cool Whip right on the top. Make sure to fold that in as well. You've got to make this dessert for Memorial Day. Start by cubing up a Sara Lee family-size classic pound cake that is thawed out. Then you're going to place half of those pieces into a trifle dish. Then you're going to take 2 cups of strawberries, 2 cups of blueberries, and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Shake it up, set that aside, followed by 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 a cup of powdered sugar, and just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip that up until you have stiff peaks for your whipped cream and give it a taste test. Pour half of your berries onto your pound cake pieces, half of your whipped cream onto your fruit, and that is 1 layer. Now spread everything out and then do another layer starting with your pound cake, followed by berries and whipped cream. Top with fresh strawberries and blueberries. Pop it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. And you have a beautiful, delicious peach cobbler dump cake. But we have to serve this up with some delicious vividly vanilla ice cream. Put 1 big old scoop on there. Make sure you blow on it because it's going to be hot. And enjoy. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. We're all finished. Chill in the fridge or simply enjoy. Make a pretty design and you have a beautiful summer dessert. Enjoy!